a really spontaneous live. I just thought, I did a masterclass yesterday and it was brilliant. Such a wonderful group of ladies, and my sister came as well because it was her birthday, and another lady was there, Kirsty, and it was her birthday as well. It was really good. We was talking about the lashes, and I was just telling the ladies that the new lashes, the fluffies and the feathered, are a lot easier to put on than the natural if you've struggled with the natural, because they've got a longer strip. So I thought I'd just do a quick demo, 20 minutes, 10 minutes, whatever it takes. But I hope you're all well. Who have we got here? This is like really super spontaneous. Everyone's out. Dan and Willie are at football. Oscar's at his mates. I've got a quiet house at sort of 6:30 in the evening. Unheard of. So I thought I'd jump on. So I'm just going to show you. These are the fluffies. You can see I've used lots of them. And these are the feathered. Very similar, but you can see the fluffies are heavier, right, than the feathered. These are pre-glued. So you haven't got to faff about with any glue. They're on the website, and you can buy the tweezers as well. These are pink ones. I'm testing these ones out for something else. We sell silver ones. But I'm just going to show you how you put them on, right, because they're so easy. And because these are a longer strip than the natural ones, which are on a much smaller strip. And when I say strip, what I mean is this little bar here. The natural ones are half the size. So some ladies, particularly ladies who've got eyesight issues, find them a bit fiddly, right? But these are a longer strip, so they're easier to put on. The trick to put the lashes on, right, is when you pull it out, first of all, when you pull them out the box, have the lip facing your chest, right? Pull it out. Oh, I've just dropped my lash. Hold on a minute. I was doing two things at once. Here I am. Right, here it is. So make sure you've got the box facing the right way, first of all. Now, when you scoop in and pull up the lash, don't worry if you got it on the glue. Just hold the end of the lash. Bring it in here a bit. Hold the end of the lash and just grab it again like that, right? So it's just like that. The glue is always on the top. Always on the top. Keep it on the top. If you twist it around, it's not gonna work. Now I usually just put my thumb on the top and I do this action. Now think about drinking a cup of tea. So you pick it out of the box and you go like this, but you're really going up to your eye. But it's that action, elbow in the air, right? That makes the difference. And then all you do is I've lifted it up. The sticky bit is on the top, remember? You lift it up like this and then you just go like that and open the tweezer. Don't forget to open the tweezer. Look at that. Already. That's just one lash. That's just one lash. Let me get another one on. Hold on. Right, let me put the next one on. Let me just take that down a bit. Okay. I'm doing this in the phone. It's a bit difficult in the phone. I normally do it in a mirror. I normally do it in the old magnified mirror. If you've not seen this, it's amazing. Magnified mirror. Anyway. Right, so that is just two lashes on. I've got no mascara on, so I'm just showing you how full you can make your lashes look. Now, these can stay on. This is not a winning. Loads of people are putting the word win up. This is not a live shopping. We're not doing competition today. We are just talking about the lashes. Right, so that is two of the lashes on there. These are the feathered, okay? These are the feathered. And now on this eye, I'm going to put the fluffies, which are the heavier ones, just so you can see the difference. But just showing you how easy that is, right? So I've pulled that out of the box. I'm just going to move it down a little bit. There it is. Lift it up. And it just goes on the waterline just before your lashes kind of just come off. Look at that. Now that is the slightly heavier ones. These are the fluffies. These are the feathered. Sometimes one is enough. Just one little lash at the end. Just lifts the eyes. Look, looks like you've got a nice eyeliner on. Looks nice and elegant. Let's get another one on just so you can see. Let's get this one on. Hold on a minute. Okay. But they're just a lot easier because, well, I mean, I find the other one's just as easy, but these are easier because the strip is longer. So look, two lashes there at the end. just to show you. You could then put, you know, some mascara on the bottom lashes if you want to. And these also can stay on for 4 or 5 days. We've had ladies had them on for up to 2 weeks, 10 days, 2 weeks. Give them a wiggle, give them a little push back. They're quite, you know, you can be a bit tough with them. Give them a little push back like that. And they stay on. Obviously, when you're washing your face, if you're keeping them on, when you're washing your face, be careful. And if you sleep on your face, then, you know, they might come off. But if you're very careful with them, they can last quite a long time. And then all you do is you grab it like this. I'll take them off in a minute so you can see what they're like. But I just want to show you how easy they are. So this is the fluffies, this side. Okay, everyone see that? And this is the feathered. So you can see they're a little bit more feathery than those ones, right? And they come in a mixed set. So they come in like short, medium and long length. I've just put on a medium and a long on both eyes there, so you can see that. But sometimes just one is enough. It just lifts the face. It's really easy. And they will last a lot longer if you've got no mascara on. You can put them on the top of mascara as well if you want to. But they probably just wouldn't last as long. They are reusable. You keep using them until they stop being sticky and then just move on to a new lash. But a pack should last you, you know, depends on if you're wearing it every day or just at the weekends. But a pack should last you quite a while. Any questions on these? Any questions at all? On my Instagram highlights, there's a little how to put the lashes on. And it's a really, really clear, I think, anyway, it's a really clear, I just had my hair and my roots dyed today, so I feel a bit like, ooh. It's a really clear video on how to do it, yeah? Oh, Gillian, you keep putting the word win. This is not a competition today. That's tomorrow night. Tomorrow night, we're bringing out a few, we're going to show you some of our classic older products, right, that are going to be in the sale, and you guys are going to have first dibs at those. Lots of things that people have asked for, again, that we've brought back from New Zealand, from our New Zealand website over there. So they're going to be available. Plus, we've got 2 new products. 2 new products that everybody's been asking for as well. So join us tomorrow. It's just after 7 o'clock tomorrow night. Any questions on the lashes? Let me know. I know we'll answer them. But this was just a really quick one. Love these lashes. I find it easier with just my fingers. Yes, Yvonne, some people do just bung them on their fingers. I'm a little bit cock-handed, so I don't. They are, oh God, I've forgotten. I think they're $12.95 or something. But they are like half the price of any other lash company. And they are better. We think they're better. Yeah, and I've chosen all the ones that I think women my age plus can wear and not look like a dog's dinner, basically. And you know what, actually, loads of my friends' mums, loads of my friends are buying these for their daughters because all the kids wear them at school now and they get told off. Because these go underneath, a lot of the teachers can't see them, so they can't tell them to take them off. Yeah, they look a lot more natural than those full-on ones that lots of the kids wear. Kimberly, yes, you can use your fingers. If you can get them on with your fingers, give them a poke. They are available now, Yvonne. They're all on the website under the Lash Bar title. You can see them on there. And there was another question. Can you wear mascara with them? Absolutely. So you would put mascara on first, and then you put your lashes on. Yeah, or what you could do is you could put the lashes on, and then if you wanted to, you could just fill in, like, you know, at the front here, a little bit of mascara down there, and don't put any mascara under those bits if you don't want to. But yeah, yes, we do shorter ones, Joanne. They are the natural ones that are on the website, and they come in a mixed set, which is a great set to start with. So then you can suss out which size you like. They're short, medium, and long. And then once you get used to the length that you love, you can then buy the length that you like in the natural range, okay? Anyone else? Wasn't it a beautiful day today? Not that I got outside much, to be honest. We've all been working hard today. Lots of people going on holiday at the moment, which is nice. Easter holidays coming up. The new LED mirror is back in stock, by the way. Everybody was after the pink one, which we'd sold out of, but it's back in stock now. So jump on if you want that before they bloody disappear again. And we've got the black ones as well. But anyway, just wanted to show you those. If you've got any questions, put them down below and I will answer them. If there's any other videos you want to see on the lashes, just let me know. Oh, I'm just going to show you how you take them off. It's so easy to take them off, and I'm going to put them back in the box so I can reuse them. Right, all you do is grip the end like that, and that's it. You never pull out your own lashes, because these are longer than your lashes, aren't they? So you're not even gripping your own lashes when you pull them. So you just do that, and then you do that. Look, come off like that. Put them back in the box. Save them for another day. Yeah, they're brilliant. We love them. Hope you do too. See you later. That was short and sweet, wasn't it? But, you know, spontaneous. See you later.